If you ever face situations in life where you may be a project at work or a family situation, or maybe the kids are just acting up or they're not doing well in school, and you ask yourself, why do these problems keep coming up? Why do these situations keep coming up? Um, why always the same ones? Or why is it that it's so difficult to be dealing with them all the time? Why me? Right? Those are normal questions to ask in life. I think part of life, for me at least, is recognizing what are the strengths I have in life and how I'm dealing with them in a positive way. And then what are the opportunities for me to be more strong, to get better at what I'm doing. And I find that life teaches me, at least, when I'm doing well, and it teaches me about the things that I need to improve. And the things that I do well, I tend to not have a problem with in my life. The things that I do well just seem to seamlessly just work themselves out, right? It's almost like I don't have to do any work. It just works out. And then things that are like harder for me to deal with, they seem to kind of come back again and again. It's almost like this repeating wheel. And as much as I may think I've dealt with a situation, it just keeps coming back. And I after about 20 years of research and working into this, I finally figured out that those were actually important indicators in life. But life was trying to tell me that, hey, you know what? I needed to pay attention to those because I hadn't really quite gotten the solution in a way that could get me out of those cycles that I'm in. And that's what they really are. All of our lives are really based on cycles, and we all work very hard to get ourselves out of cycles, out of negative ones, of course, and then into positive ones, right? I'll never be the same.